weekend, I find myself here at the Indiana Half Mile, Marion, Indiana, with my Alpha 12 AMS Performance R8. Don't let the Alpha 12 fool you. We're somewhere over 1,300 wheel horsepower right now. We keep fine-tuning the car. Took it to the drag strip, ran an 869 in St. Louis a couple weeks ago. Had some fun at the ice cream cruise last weekend. And today, I want to get some side-by-side roll racing in. See what kind of cars we can get some close races with. Or maybe bikes. I don't know. Who knows what we're going to find. Let's go find some racing. All right, found my first race. This is gonna be a tough one. You've been a little over 200 in it?
Yeah, 206.
Nice, nice. So it's a H2. I don't know anything about bikes. It's stretched a little bit, looks like?
Yeah, so it's basically H2R cams, intercooler, Van Diemen exhaust, stage 3 gears. Makes about 300 wheel horsepower. So.
Damn, on a bike.
Yeah.
What kind of power do these make stock?
So stock they make right around 200 at the tire. But
an extra 100 horsepower is quite a bit.
Yeah.
I'm sure it feels pretty crazy.
Yeah, and first and second's really crazy. I'm not getting much traction right now.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
So we'll do like a 40, 50-ish roll and...
Yeah, and I'll give you the nod.
It'll be fun.
Hopefully it's a pretty nice race.
All right, let's see where we're at for power. Setting 4 is not gonna do it. We're racing a freaking 300 horsepower bike. We're going all the power. We're gonna turn our, we don't need launch control. Turn our traction control all the way up. All right, let's see if I can beat a bike. 300 horsepower H2, I'm not too hopeful. I just hope I can get him out of the hole and he doesn't fly past me before we hit. I think I'm gonna go to 160, 180, something like that, and I'll let out.
Trying to reel in the bike.
198 for Kyle.
I didn't take off too early, did I?
You just kind of went, but it's all right.
I tried to dot in, but
I couldn't really. It was gonna be impossible anyway. That thing's fast.
Thanks, man.
Very fast.
Yeah, sorry, man. I was trying to.
It's all good. It's hard to do without someone actually starting it.
Yeah, absolutely.
Nice bike, man. That's badass. Thanks for the run.
Yeah.
All right, so my first passenger of the weekend is Ty, and you're originally from South Africa?
Yes, I am.
That's pretty epic. What brings you over to the States?
My wife, she's from the States. We by chance met online, actually. Things just happened from 2015 and I've been here for 3 years now.
That's awesome. So what's the fastest car you've been in?
It has been the stock R8. I think that was before they had the dual clutch. So like really hammered you back.
Yeah, the E-gear.
Yeah, yes. And then I've been in a 458.
Oh, that's nice. Yeah, that's sweet. Yeah, this will be completely different. The DCT is like butter. Yeah, you'll see. It's all gonna happen really fast.
I can imagine.
This is amazing. Oh gosh. Oh, that is the best thing I've felt in my life.
Oh, yeah.
Thank you so much. Holy shit, that was amazing. Woo. Oh gosh.
Oh yeah.
A roller coaster doesn't come close to that shit. Oh my goodness. That is, oh my gosh. That is so amazing.
A little different than a stock R8.
Oh yeah, thank goodness this gimbal is holding up. I am shaking. This is
That's great.
Absolutely, oh gosh.
Hell yeah. Alright, get your gimbal ready.
Alright.
I'll show you the other part of it.
Alright.
You ready?
Yeah.
Here we go.
Oh shit! Oh my god! Oh my lord!
It's two completely different experiences too.
Yes, that is so insane.
Yeah. All right, we are back in the lanes. We're gonna make this easy and do a dig race, right?
Dig race.
I'll be way easier.
Yeah.
Does it launch okay, or does it spin its ass off?
Oh, it's going to spin its ass off
Okay.
for sure.
Well, you got to work for it then.
Yeah.
I saw you pull on that last one, so I got to get a little bit of a lead.
Oh yeah. Yeah, you'll get a lead definitely in the beginning. All-wheel drive will help a lot.
Yeah. You've been 206 a bunch of times now?
Every single run's been 206.
Really?
I've done something completely different every run to try. This time I changed the gearing. I made it a little bit longer, see if it'll help.
Yeah.
But yeah, 206, dead nuts every time.
Dang.
See what he got?
There's our guy right there.
202 for Kyle.
Yeah, got him. I know he was struggling for traction off the line. I spun pretty good too because there's like a number painted right after I launched, so it hooked pretty hard, and then I like wiggled on that white number where it's painted, and then it caught traction. Then I wiggled again on the number again. But it made it fun because he was like back and then started pulling on me, and I got traction and pulled on him, and then I think about half track I could see him slowly coming up on me. I think he was only about a car and a half back there, so that was like a badass matchup. That was so sick.
You were close. I
could see you coming.
Blowing the tire off through third gear.
Oh man, third
I
gear?
gotta run him down.
Hell yeah. Do you know what your mile an hour was? Like, you have to look at your phone, I suppose.
Sure. Hey, what did I trap?
I did 202. 204? Yeah, you were spinning pretty bad then.
Oh yeah.
Well, thanks for the run, man.
Yeah,
that was a lot of fun.
That was sick, man.
Hell yeah. For my last race of the day, I'm going to be chasing the AIM Porsche that's been doing like 220s, I believe. That's one of my favorite cars here, so it'll be fun to see it from right behind it going 200 and some miles an hour.
What'd he get?
1320 coming up. Ryan coming up.
224 to 199.
24.
That was a fun view. That car is freaking fast. Wow. I mean, he was spinning and pulling on me. That's... yeah, that car's a lot lighter, but also has at least 100 to 200 more horsepower than this car. That was a really cool view to see. We only went 199.65, so I don't know if it's the heat or what, but we slowed down a little bit. Pretty awesome first day here at the Indiana Half Mile. Put some smiles on some people's faces, got some good runs in. The bike race, I will never forget that one. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Who knows what we're gonna get into. Good morning from the Marion Airport here in Indiana. It's time for the second day here at the Indiana Half Mile. Today the weather is amazing. It's like 75 degrees, a little bit of tailwind, so I think I'm gonna do one more full pass this weekend, and then we're gonna find some races, do some ride-alongs, and who knows what else we'll get into. So let's get right to it. Raced this car yesterday. He did not get out of the hole very quickly, but he went 200. We're lining up against the English Racing GTR again. Raced him last night. He doesn't get out of the hole quite as well, so I'll give him the hit and then play catch up and fly past him. How about that?
What did they do? Mile an hour. Holy Asada.
201 for Kyle.
GTR Cop.
Well, they told me last night they changed a few things to make it launch better. It definitely launched better. I shouldn't have given the hit on that one. You definitely got it sorted out. I was like, I'm gonna give him the hit so I can get an even race to the finish, but you got that thing launching hard now. Nice work, man.
Thank you.
Looking good. That's what I get for assuming. Let's see what we did on our draggy here. 9.09 in the quarter mile on asphalt. That's pretty cool. Go for a ride?
Oh yeah.
All right, let's grab a helmet. Actually, no, I think we need to trade seats.
Trade seat?
Yeah.
You want me to drive?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do it. Oh shit.
Gonna race a bike. I don't know what kind of bike. It's a Honda something.
Let's see what this mile an hour looks like.
185.
That was awesome.
There you go. We forgot the windows, but it was just a little extra.
Oh yeah.
It was too late at that point. I'm like, I'm not gonna tell him to roll the windows up while he's flooring it.
Oh man.
I saw 189 on that one.
That was awesome.
Is that your new high score?
Yes, it is.
Nice.
Dude, like the first couple gears, I'm sitting there and I'm like, holy shit.
Yeah.
We're entering into warp speed.
Well guys, unfortunately I wasn't able to get the rest of the runs in I wanted to today. We got caught up with a bunch of features here at the half mile that we were chasing down, so I was helping the crew out. But don't you worry, I will get Fred and Matt in the driver's seat here soon enough. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys want to see more content on the R8 or the features that we filmed here at the Indiana half mile, make sure to subscribe. And make sure to check out shiftsector.co on the internet for all the events they have all over the US. The Colorado one, which they had to skip this year because the road is getting resurfaced, will be back next year, and we can't wait for that in Colorado Springs. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to subscribe, and we'll catch you guys next time.